Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can make water reflection text effect in CapCut PC. First, then I'm going to select this background and then just going to select color background in the canvas and select blue color. So just go to text and add the text. Change the text and the size. So just going to export, click export, and delete this project and import that's created. So just drag and go to effect. So you can find water reflection effect and shadow effect. Just drag here and adjust for the blur, width, size, and the speed. So here we go. Okay, that's how to make water reflection text effect in CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.